Navigating the path to financial wellness. Strategies for personal financial success. In an increasingly complex and dynamic world, achieving financial wellness has become a paramount goal for individuals seeking a stable and secure future. Financial wellness goes beyond just having a substantial income. It encompasses a comprehensive understanding of personal finances, smart money management, and a proactive approach to planning for both short-term and long-term goals. This video delves into the concept of financial wellness and provides actionable strategies to help individuals navigate their financial journey with confidence. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. The foundation of financial wellness. Financial wellness is about achieving a state of financial well-being where individuals have control over their financial decisions and can effectively manage their resources to meet their goals. It's the peace of mind that comes from having a clear financial plan, being debt-free or managing debt responsibly, and having the means to handle unexpected expenses. Assess your financial situation. The first step towards financial wellness is to assess your current financial situation. Create a detailed snapshot of your income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. This analysis will help you identify areas that require improvement and allow you to set realistic financial goals. Understanding your financial picture allows you to make informed decisions about where you stand financially and where you want to go. It's like creating a roadmap for your financial journey. Establish clear financial goals. Set both short-term and long-term financial goals. Short-term goals could include paying off credit card debt or building an emergency fund, while long-term goals might involve saving for a down payment on a home or planning for retirement. Having clear goals provides you with a sense of direction and purpose. Goals serve as motivators, driving you to make the necessary financial decisions and sacrifices to achieve them. Create a realistic budget. A well-structured budget is the cornerstone of effective money management. Track your income and expenses meticulously and allocate funds to essential categories like housing, transportation, groceries, and savings. Be sure to leave room for leisure and entertainment to maintain a balanced lifestyle. A budget is your financial blueprint. It helps you prioritize your spending, control your expenses, and allocate resources where they matter most. By creating a budget, you gain control over your money instead of letting it control you. Reduce and manage debt. High-interest debt can hinder your financial progress. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts while making minimum payments on others. Consider debt consolidation or refinancing options to reduce interest payments and streamline your debt obligations. Debt can be a significant burden on your financial well-being. By managing and reducing your debt, you free up resources that can be better utilized for savings, investments, and achieving your goals. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can throw your finances off track. Establish an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This safety net provides a buffer in case of job loss, medical emergencies, or other unforeseen events. An emergency fund acts as a financial cushion, offering you peace of mind and protection against life's uncertainties. It prevents you from derailing your financial progress due to unexpected expenses. Invest wisely. Once you have your financial fundamentals in place, explore investment options that align with your risk tolerance and long-term goals. Diversify your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk and maximize potential returns over time. Investing allows your money to work for you and grow over time. By choosing suitable investment vehicles and strategies, you harness the power of compounding and create a path towards wealth accumulation. Continuous learning and financial literacy. Commit to enhancing your financial literacy through reading books, attending workshops, and staying updated on the latest financial trends. The more you know about personal finance, the better equipped you are to make informed decisions. Financial literacy empowers you to make confident choices about your money. It enables you to decipher complex financial concepts, navigate investment opportunities, and optimize your financial decisions. Regularly review and adjust your plan. Life circumstances change, and so should your financial plan. Regularly review your budget, goals, and investments to ensure they remain aligned with your evolving needs and aspirations. Flexibility is key to maintaining financial wellness. By regularly assessing your financial plan, you can adapt to changing situations, seize new opportunities, and stay on track towards your goals. Financial wellness is a journey, not a destination. It requires dedication, discipline, and a willingness to adapt as circumstances change. By following the strategies outlined in this article, individuals can take control of their financial future, alleviate stress, and work toward a state of true financial well-being. Remember, achieving financial wellness is not just about accumulating wealth, it's about creating a balanced and fulfilling life that is free from the burdens of financial uncertainty. Start your journey today and take the first steps towards a brighter, financially secure future. Your financial well-being is within your reach. All it takes is a proactive mindset and a commitment to your financial success. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.